Hey guys, so welcome to this module where we'll go over all the fun stuff, which is logging in or signing up on your Redbubble account, naming your shop and all that fun stuff. So let's get started. So let's go ahead and hit sign up, and we'll go ahead and sign up our account. We'll do an artist sign up since we're going to be the ones selling our designs on Redbubble. Here, I'll go ahead and put in my email. Put my shop name. So I'd like you guys to, take a minute here and think about the shop name that you would like to input. We'd like our shop name to be relevant to the products that we're selling. For example, I'll have my shop name as stickers and t-shirts by Food, right? For example, you guys can have your shop name as tropical stickers or tropical shirts or motivational stickers, something that is relevant to the products and designs that you're selling. That way customers can look up your shop, and it's easier for you to pop up on their search bars. I'll go ahead and make my password as well. And hit sign up. It's only 4 to 15 characters, so go ahead and do stickers and t-shirts. So guys, here's the criteria that we need to fulfill in order to have a successful shop name. Only letters, numbers, no spaces. Letters, numbers, and. So we could just do this. Stickers and shirts. That's our shop name according to our criteria that we need to fulfill. I think this is still relevant to the products that I'm going to be selling on Redbubble using this account, and you guys should also give a good chunk of time in naming your shop, as it's a very relevant thing, and a lot of customers do look at it. But let's go ahead and hit sign up. And these are just some regulatory stuff that we need to go through to verify ourselves. And that's it, guys. We've successfully signed up. I'm gonna hit save because I'd like to, save this, save the password on this account in case I forget at any time.